So let's get right into the recipe. We take a pan and in that we put 6 tablespoons of sesame seeds. The cooking is not going to be in the pan right now. You have to roast your sesame seeds. And now we are going to put 6 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. Both these need to be roasted. They'll be roasted in a dry pan for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. My sesame seeds are already roasted, but I've done this part just to show all of you. So give it a nice dry roast in your pan. No ghee, butter, oil, nothing needed. We are just roasting the nuts. Okay, after we are going to finish roasting these lovely seeds, we are going to put it in the blender. If you have a NutriBullet, it's great. Otherwise, a blender will do. Next, we have 10 almonds that have been soaked overnight and the skin has been taken off. You can even soak them for 2-3 hours and do that. So we give it a nice blend in the NutriBullet. It becomes nice and powdery. This is step 1. Now we add half a cup of water to this. This water is going to help it blend and become into a milky consistency. That's where the seeds and the nut will do its job to make it almost like a milk. Right now it's still very thick. As you can see, it's sticking to my NutriBullet. So I add a little more water to bring it into the right consistency. And don't worry, I'm going to show you the consistency, exactly what we need for these crepes and dosa. So one more last blend in the NutriBullet. Even a blender will do. Okay, this is the last step. Half a cup of shredded cheese. It can be mozzarella or even cheddar. So any cheese will do as long as it's shredded, and all you have to do is mix it in. No blending it. Okay, now is the time to make the crepes. So we take a pan and we lightly put ghee on it. You can even use butter or olive oil, avocado oil, or whatever oil you prefer. Just take a measuring cup kind of thing, spoon. Just becomes more simple to drop the batter in. And see the consistency? It's literally a watery consistency. You start swirling it around immediately. Don't worry, this batter is really nice. It allows you to add a bit more to make it into a circle, and you can swirl it again a little more. But you need to do all this within the first 4-5 seconds. Otherwise, it will start cooking. Okay. So now, next I want to tell you that we have to wait till you see the bubbles and the color at the bottom, you will see, will turn a beautiful golden brown. Can you see that? It still needs a little more cooking to make it even crispier. The cheese is doing its work. When it comes to this color, that is when it's easy to lift out. We all know this flipping is the most difficult. Did you see that? How easily it lifted out? Well, that's if you allow it to become a nice crispy brown. Don't worry, try once or twice, you'll get it. So here we have our amazing, healthiest, crispiest crepes, and or we also call it the Indian dosa, and it's had with coconut chutney. So thank you for watching, and look out for my next video, and do subscribe to my channel. Bye then.